sleek new iPhone Air is so thin, it literally ditched the SIM card tray. But that bold design move just ran into a wall of red tape in China. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. Originally set to launch alongside the rest of the iPhone 17 lineup, the ultra-slim 5.6mm iPhone Air now faces a delay in mainland China. Why? Because it's eSIM-only, and China's regulatory system isn't exactly thrilled about that just yet. Apple quietly updated its China website, replacing the September 19th pre-order date with a vague release information will be updated later. Meanwhile, China Telecom has also taken down its social media post hyping up eSIM support, and China Unicom, who was supposed to be ready on launch day, is now listed as pending regulatory approval. But here's the catch. In China, phones aren't just for texting, memes, and doom scrolling. They're tied closely to identity verification. Physical SIM cards make that process, well, simple. But with an eSIM, customers need to show up in person to activate their phones, which kind of defeats the whole sleek and seamless Air vibe. And just in case you were thinking of being clever and importing an iPhone Air from abroad, don't. Because Apple says non-mainland models won't be able to install eSIM profiles from Chinese carriers at all. Good news is the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology is reportedly working on it, and China Telecom says the green light should come very soon. But until then, the iPhone Air will remain grounded in China, waiting for its regulatory wings. Meanwhile, the rest of the iPhone 17 lineup will land right on time next Friday, with good old-fashioned SIM slots still there. What do you think about this? Comment down your thoughts and give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.